Hallelujah, Jesus.
Here endeth the word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
Uno pass on the wine, make everybody get a sip.
I can't see you.
Drink it.
It's strong.
As we pass on correction plate. What you do?
Eh?
Put something in there.
Me no bring more wallet with
Pastor, stop it,
me.
church.
No do that. Yeah, what you do?
God, hold on, everyone.
Pastor, no, we are dealing with this. But man, you never have to stop.
Every week, you know, come and say next week. Me see you at the Go-Go Club last night, you know. Don't play with me, you know. Pastor, come talk to him.
Kick him
Pastor,
out.
you can come in a man church. You drink up all of this something, them. After church, you're going back to eat the curry and white rice.
Send him guile.
Time rough, you know. All them things I find at my church, you know, not coming in. Oh, no, do. Take something. A chain kind of look nice still. If you do people them something, you know, me poor, you know, you.
Dog, some on your jaw. What? How dog?
Dog, don't even listen to that.
Dog, how? Oh, Mary, where you going so far?
Come out of here, dog. Come out of here.
Dog, how dog?
Come out of
Dog, my son, I just want me away from me.
Come out of the bug muck here. From the...
Dog,
From where do you want to
I can't fight. I can't fight, dog.
Favorite part this one now. Who is it?
Ami!
Who?
Ami man!
I don't know any me man.
Ano mi man, Ami?
Babe, who is that?
How that?
Yo, hey, don't worry about who is that. Who is this?
Ami!
You have the wrong door.
Naman, ayo!
Who is you?
Sana mas yo!
Listen, I don't know you. You have the wrong door. Goodbye.
Germans!
What?
Ami!
Yeah, I come
Yo.
with friend. Oh,
What that? What that over there, so?
yeah, pine. Pine the
Wanna
boy,
keep
boss,
party?
Me circle you down. Me I send him my address.
No,
Me
no,
I
no
send him
forward,
my
man. No
address.
forward. Me sue cut. Me sue cut.
Yo, pine! Yo, pine! Pine! Yo, Batman! Yo!
So, oh, your boy, the party.
Them man are so far down, you don't see him. Them man are come out to mash you. It's like they come back from the face with them no day no me out. Yo, pine! Them
Him
man
not there.
never feel me a dog. Never! Watch! Yo, pine!
Grandpa,
Yes.
I choose that people could have used to go outside in the old time days.
Yes, we used to go
For
outside.
real? I want them street. I want people used to see them out in the street like a dog. How come our dog not out in the street? I want them KFC. And I want them road. I want them beach. And I want them TGI. Who would have called someone TGI? People out in the street.
Oi! You don't feel like saying you need to go wash out the plate then? That is just being a man, me soon go mad at that, you see me? Oh! You soon mad it up! You soon mad it up! Remember say cold cheese hard to cut.
What? Cold cheese hard? What that mean, broken? What that mean? What kind of pause of darkness that man has someone for me? Hey, you know I'm gonna just go wash them plate of cold cheese hard to cut. Me never hear that yet. And he make up that thing.
Listen, say I use the whole of vanilla. We use the same amount of vanilla to mix my tea every morning, daddy. Wow. Yeah, man, you go on. When clown no one go shop, he say beef tough.
Oh my God. What the hell that supposed to mean, dog? If you don't want me use the vanilla, just say that. No. What the hell? When cow no one go shop, why the hell one cow go shop? Go beef, cow meat, no beef. So why the cow go shop go buy beef? Don't understand? What the hell that mean, dog?
DL, come here. Yes, mommy. Me I want you go up in the sky. And you see right side of that cumulonimbus cloud there? Just use the broom and part it. You see cure for corona, can't come. But, you know, it make no sense. And that with you now, you know. When me tell you to do, you have to just do. and don't come back down till you find it. But how me go even reach up? Is what you mean by how? You ever ask how you eat? All me I say to you is make sure say you come back down with the cure for corona. Cause if you don't come back down with it, stay up there. Full time now me start see when me I spend my money pan I send you go to school since the government want you stay home. But if you think me not gonna put you to no use while you there home, you just get knocked. All of my neighbor them have good son. Me see Jimmy boy a turn doctor, Mars Joe son turn engineer. Well, me want my son part the sky and find cure for corona. Until you do it, don't come down.
Jamal, remember yesterday when you see Mars Lindell kneel down in front of me? I pray indeed I help me pray. But you can't tell your father here, baby. You tell him? Good boy. Cause if you tell daddy, he might go sad that you don't want that.
I mean, I can't get me a taste now. And daddy might be about Mars Lindell. I pray over him food.
Listen to me. Say nothing to your father. I say me no pop your neck. Let off of this thing.
Backside the little boy, man. You're not gonna tell him, you ain't gonna make nice like me give you something for ball for.
He just coming and come back, sleeping not like
I'm coming there and give you another one little boy. Don't take a broomstick and go clot you out tight, you know. You're not coming now. Eh? Backside there, make up all this nice stuff, nothing. Get up, man. I'm coming there and lean up your face again. I'm here. Yeah.
Come, we need to figure out a story for me. So far the thing that Chris, Paul, Josh, Trevor, Carl, Peter, Crystal, Courtney, what your name again? Mufasa, Simba, Goku, Munga, Adija, Avatar, Mackerel, Dumpling, Planting, Golden Cross, Zinger, Immigration, Sitting there, Ting there, Bigger, Baba Roots, Noni, Seriously, help me, Cho.
Then a 4 pound me send go give man. A 4.
What kind of cross is this now?
Me I go call you back.
Oh, sir, what? Me say I want to you. What you mean, sir? Oh, me say I want to you. Think back in the ears.
Yes.
Daddy, nothing in your feet, you know.
What you say?
Is there nothing in your feet?
And that thing one of that blood clot outside and 2 blood clot and grape come and talk about no air house. You put on me them?
Yeah,
Eh? Yeah, man.
I'm 16.
When me are your age, me are 21 and me take care of all of my family. As I look at you, used to walk 10 miles a day go to school because I used to live at Moby and go to Kingston High.
10 miles?
You know what half of it?
Just no bread.
You know what quarter of it? Eh? I swim from blood clot all over. Come to Florida, come marry them and the papers.
Daddy, all I'm saying is nothing in your feet.
Flat and grateful. Eh? We know about dumpling without the flour.
That don't make no sense.
We know about bully beef without the beef.
That don't make no sense.
We know about lemonade without the lemon.
Wouldn't be lemonade then.
One time we got 3 years without eating nothing, just source of oxygen.
Yes.
Eh? Come and talk about nothing in the fridge.
No, John.
You come and call LBW.
LBW?
Long, big and bumbuckler Oakley.
Coming up next on Tune Station, Pink Panther.
Yeah, me I say no man, you don't know full thing going on. A DJ full clip in our place. Anytime we forward, it's like the factory reset button get pressed on a phone. So you know what that means. Me say if you know what that means. Different bumbuckler settings. Before Stanley, rest in peace with G. Before Chadwick Boseman. Before Wakanda. Before Black Panther. There was the creator. The originator. Years later we still can't find a duplicator. Watch it, man. Let us some Pink Panther in them. Let it go!
We'll be right back.
Baby, hear me I say. None of them girls have nothing pan you, understand? You see when you go pan people skin, baby, you don't left people skin dry, you did. Yeah, man, me I tell you, you see. From a day with day, I know say up in a bay. Yeah, babe, you don't know the things that are really, man.
Yo, we are the better. We are the better. We are the.
Shut up, Carrie.
Brother, come free me from my youth. Come free me from this fuck my youth. Yo, brother, and them thing I tell you about you ram too much in my youth. Yo, you me I talk to in my youth. Yo.
Baby. Hi.
Yes, baby, alright.
Yeah, I'm okay. Can we go another round, please? Like,
Yes, I like that one.
that was pretty good. That was really good, actually.
I'm so far, man. I just done up them little college maths, yeah.
Babe, math? Oh my god, that's my specialty. Let me help you. I want to help you.
Can't manage them questions, yeah, baby.
Listen, I taught two of my friends at UA and they passed their degrees. And we both know that I am the one that taught Stewie and helped him to pass his GSAT. So what are we talking about? Ask me to just try me.
2 plus 2 equals x. What is x?
Babe, that's so simple. A letter. Because when you group the two like terms, it becomes X. And X is evidently a letter. So, babe, why are you looking at me like that? Babe, give me a hug.
No,
I don't
no, social distance.
Babe.
Social distance. Oh, you like that?
Babes, we can box you.
Well, yeah, but don't do it at
Alright.
the last time.
Jeez. Oh my god, babes, I'm sorry, I never know, I never mean to do that at babes, sorry, I'm so sorry. Alright, you want help? I saw me this strong, man. Tell you to eat up the proteins, you know.
Yeah, I can't bex to Bumburas. I can't bex to. You know, I can't bex. Just go and day on my phone and I play with my phone like I do something on my phone. Really and truly, I not really do it on my phone. But I can bex. I switch over to 2 hand then and play with my phone in 2 hand. Open up my camera app. Look full though. Whenever I try to keep malice. Time when I break the ice. Alright. I'm just break the ice and done, isn't it? Cause true. I'm chat to her. You didn't know say you can't drink water?
I see we winning right now. Winning right now. So go with it.